Hi everyone, welcome back. Flavius here from Flavius In Touch Technology. Also, for those of you who are visiting for the very first time, I just want to say I appreciate you all. What I'll be doing today in this video is install this PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD into this HP desktop system unit. The model number on this unit is 290-A005BLA. I will not be installing any operating system software or running any benchmark in this video. I will simply disassemble and install this M.2 SSD drive and then reassemble the system unit. Now that should be easy. Let's see. Now this system unit is from a customer of mine who has expressed that the PC is running very slow, and so I recommend to upgrade the system with this M.2 NVMe SSD. Now, as is branded on the package, as you can see, this M.2 NVMe drive is 35 times faster than a 72 RPM regular mechanical hard drive. Now, for me, if this SSD M.2 drive is 10 times or 5 times faster than what is in this unit right now, I will go with that anytime. But to be 35 times faster, that is ridiculously fast, and that is what we want to achieve. Now, with that said, let's get to work. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. The installation of this M.2 NVMe SSD was a success. One glitch that I did encounter, and this might help some of you. The standoff on the motherboard to hold SSD did not have a screw. I tried every screw I could find. Nothing would work. And what I tried, and it did work, was a screw from this old 2.5-inch hard drive. And it did fit perfectly. Yes, a screw from here did fit perfectly. So I hope this tip will help somebody. Now, if you have any questions or any comment, please leave them in the comment section below. And please remember to like and to subscribe and to share this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.